What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you top 3 passive income business ideas to start online in 2019. All you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, passive income. Isn't that what we really all want? Of course it is. Now, there is a lot of ideas actually that you can get started with to make some passive income, but I thought I would share with you today the top 3, the most popular ideas actually that you can get started with in 2019 and beyond. Now, before we dive into the training, I actually did a video a few days back about how to make money with editing videos without any previous experience. I showed you the model exactly how you can get started with making money, and I also referred to my course. And the reason why I mention it here is because I do run this on a campaign price right now, on a discounted price. So if you want to take advantage of that, it's definitely a great opportunity. Even if you don't want to make money with editing videos, it's still a great course because what I do here, I learned you actually how to edit audio and videos like a pro. I do have a different teaching style. I don't show you the features of cut, copy and paste, but I show you actually on ready-made video live examples. So I show you, for example, how to create solid tutorial videos. I show you everything from getting started to a ready-made production. So you will see me exactly how I go through the whole process. And how to 10x your sound. I show you for a YouTube video, for example, intro, outro. I also show you engagement tips. And there is a lot more covered inside that. It doesn't only cover intros, outros, or editing and stuff like that, but I'm talking about a lot of conversions and so on. So you can have a look at it. I will leave a link below if you feel that you're interested in this. Grab the opportunity actually for the discounted price. Alright, enough talk. Now let's dive in to see our top 3 business ideas to make some passive income. The first idea is actually about having an e-commerce store, and we are talking about dropshipping. Now, how does this work? You basically sign up to a platform like Shopify, which is the most popular around these days. And this is, you can see here, everything you need to start an online store and sell online. There's no need for me to go here, but you can see here 800 and 1,000 businesses are powered by Shopify. And here are some examples just to show you a little quick. This is someone that sells shoes, for example. So basically how you can go this with dropshipping is that how dropshipping works is that you don't have to do anything with shopping. What you do is you go to a site like AliExpress, and let me see here if I can fire up. Yeah, AliExpress. There you go. AliExpress, and let's say for example that you sell women's dresses or something. You can see here this dress is selling for $7.30 free shipping. So basically how it works is that when someone purchases it through your site, that you have your e-commerce site, the order will go straight to the manufacturer, those that have created and made this dress here. And so you don't have to deal anything with shipping that you need to stock. So it's definitely a perfect model and fits a lot of people actually that they want to get started with. Now, of course, the most important thing is to drive traffic here, and there is a tons of variations both in paid and free traffic sources, but definitely too much to cover here because I just wanted to share with you the ideas here to get started with. But it's definitely a perfect model. If you're interested in something, let's say dresses, let's say you're interested in selling wine bottles or something like that, it's definitely a great model to get started with. Even better if you're passionate about something. Okay, the second idea would be to be an affiliate marketer. And affiliate marketing works really simple. You actually decide to promote a product, you grab that link and you promote that link on your website or your videos, Facebook, and there is tons of variations here, of course, also. Now there is two categories, I would say. One is digital products, courses, and so on that you can promote. And ClickBank is definitely one of the most popular sites here, because they have, I don't know, well over 10,000 products or something, and they do have some softwares also. You can see here Longtail Pro, here is Jamorama, learn how to play guitar. So these are courses, but there is so many categories here. Games, computers, parenting, sports, travel. I've already mentioned this in some other videos also. But what you do is you find a product that you want to promote, and you decide actually to promote this product. So you grab that link. You do need an account here, of course, and then you can get started. It all depends on the niche, what works. For some products it will need more efforts, you will do need some paid campaigns and so on, but definitely a great way to get started with. And then we have, of course, Amazon, which is the largest network, and they do have everything under the sun that you can promote here. Okay, so you can work as an affiliate marketer here as well. You sign up for an account, so let's say that you want to promote this shoe. You can promote this shoe, okay? You can promote anything in Amazon, and you will get a commission for that. So affiliate marketing is definitely one of the easiest way that most people get started with, and I also recommend it. That it is my top recommendation actually to get started with. Why? Because if you don't know how to get started with it, it is the fastest way also to get started to make money. It doesn't mean that the previous idea you won't get money with it. It might just take a little longer. Affiliate marketing is great because you don't have to create any product, but you can get started to sell like today. Okay, so you can go into ClickBank or Amazon, and you can get started to promote products like today. So that is why it's so great and a popular method. Now keep in mind here, I will go in and say that I'm all about list building, so I prefer actually to give something for free in exchange for an email address, and then I will redirect them to the affiliate offer. Let's say, for example, like if you opt into my list, you will get a free report on how to make $100 plus per day, and then of course I will redirect you not to an affiliate offer, because I have my own course which is Daily List Profits, but if I didn't have, I would actually redirect you to another offer, okay? If it is one recommendation that I want to recommend. Why? Pretty simple, because an email list, I can connect with the email list, and of course I can promote again something whenever I feel that I need to promote to. Okay, and the third business idea that you can get started with online is actually selling courses. Now I'm going to show you two platforms here that you can get started with, really simple and fast. The first one is Teachable, very popular site. You can see here 50 million plus student learnings. Everything is teachable. There is 62,000 people that are instructors here actually. So you can learn everything under the sun here also. So I mean, don't limit yourself that it should be only that you're going to teach English or something like that. I mean, there is so many things that people want to learn today, so don't limit yourself, okay? Just think a bit outside the box, and I can definitely guarantee you that you can come up with a unique idea, sort of unique idea, that you can stand out and teach. The second platform is Udemy, very popular also. So this is how it looks, and if you can see here, this is the main site when we arrive to. Look at this, home business, 1,100 reviews. The course sells for $17.99, so you can do the maths here that this teacher here has made some money. Look at this. This is amazing. 44,000. Okay, the complete digital course. Let me just show you here. Look at this. This guy, he's teaching probably more courses. He has well over 200,000 students that have enrolled. So you can do the maths here that he's made some serious money by teaching. Okay, this is actually the courses, a few courses that he has. So don't limit yourself, as I said. There is so many things. Let's see here, for example, Instagram marketing, financial, iOS. So I mean, there is literally anything. We have IT and software. You might be good at productivity, personal development. So there is really no limits that you can actually get started with teaching courses there. So those were the top 3 passive income business ideas to get started with online in 2019. Now, you find a link below for my #1 recommendation for a passive income online. You also find a link, as I mentioned in the beginning, for discounted price for audio video mastery. You'll find those both in the description below here. And if you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button. At the end screen, which comes right here after I leave, you'll find 2 channel recommendations. Make sure to subscribe to both these channels. They are both related to make money online and work from home. And you also find another make money online video recommendation. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.